The new iOS 16 makes it possible to customize your lock screen with new widgets. And if you ever wanted to get a quick glance of your activity rings on your iPhone, now you can. To do this, once your iPhone is unlocked, tap and hold your lock screen. If you like the current wallpaper you have, tap Customize at the bottom. However, if you want to select a new wallpaper, go ahead and swipe and find one you like. Whichever one you choose, there will be a widget box below the time. Go ahead and tap that. You may already see activity as options, but if not, you can also scroll down and tap the Fitness app. In here, you'll see the two activity widget options. One displays your rings, and the other displays your specific numbers and goals. For whichever one you want to add, just tap or hold and drag. Then tap the X buttons, and then done in the right. And from here, you can choose to set as wallpaper pair with the current home screen you have set up, or customize your home screen with something new. Assuming we're happy with our current home screen, just tap Save as Wallpaper Pair, tap the screen again, and you're done. Like and subscribe for more.